the first Indian English writer to win the most prestigious literary award, the Jnanpith Award in 2018 for his literary works. The person was Amitav Ghosh, and his contributions to the literature, Indian literature, are immeasurable. Friends, welcome back to my channel of literary art, and in today's session we are going to study the renowned writer, winner of Jnanpith Award and so many awards at his hand, the person who used the myth, environment and history as his themes in his literary works or in his novels, and especially uh, to which I can say that the most essential of all his literary works is the Jungle Nama, which we are going to study in the next session of my YouTube channel. So, friends, such person who has received not only Jnanpith Award but Sahitya Academy Award, Anand Puraskar, Dan David Prize, Padma Shri, and Erasmus Prize. Friends, we are lucky to have him as an Indian writer or Indian novelist. So, such person we are going to study today. And see, he was born in Kolkata on 11 July 1956. So, friends, he was Indian-born writer whose ambitious novels use complex narratives, strategies to probe the nature of national and personal identity. So, friends, see, most of the works which he had published, such as the first novel of him, The Shadow Lines, then the Calcutta Chromosome, then we can say The Great Derangement, Nutmeg, The Nutmeg's Curse, and Dancing in Cambodia, The Imam and the Indian. So many novels at his hand. So here I have listed the novels or the works which had been written and published by him. So all these novels are somewhere giving us the themes such as the theme of history, or we can say the novel such as the Circle of Reason. The Circle of Reason is a novel that follows Indian protagonist who suspected of being a terrorist and leaves India for Northern Africa at Middle East. And see another novel of him, The Shadow Lines. It is about the history of two families that are deeply shaped by events following the departure of the British from India in 1947. Friends, uh, apart from that, he has written about certain themes of climate changes which are affecting nowadays to the whole globe, and such novels such as the With Sea of Poppies. We can take the name of Sea of Poppies. Apart from that, I have already mentioned here the Jungle Nama also. Apart from that, one more novel which we have to mention, and that was the Gun Island. So all these novels are somewhere giving us the theme of myth and the theme of climate change. So why I am going to introduce you with this specific novelist or this specific literarist, the reason behind that is रिसेंटली कुछ दिनों पहले ही 2021 में इन्होंने एक बहुत ही सुंदर सा वर्स लिजेंड या फिर वर्स नॉवेल एक पब्लिश किया था विच इज टाइटल्ड एज जंगल नामा विच इज बेस्ड ऑन द what we can say the jungle which is located in Bengal, West Bengal, that was Sundarban. And all those regions have been described, the people who are living there, and how the human inhabitants are actually affecting the climate changes, and what disasters we can face in future. Those are actually described by Amitav Ghosh. Nowadays, what are the reasons for these disasters, natural disasters which we are facing, and which disasters we can face in future? Those are predicted by him through the novel, or we can say these themes have been given by him through his literary works. So it is essential for all of us to read his literary works, especially Jungle Nama. It is most essential and most important, and we can say very beautifully written verse legend of Amitav Ghosh. So, friends, before studying this verse novel, Jungle Nama, I am going to introduce you with the writer or with the novelist Amitav Ghosh, and that was the basic intention behind today's YouTube session. So, friends, apart from all these things, he had written other novels also. The list of the novels I have given here, and you can see that. But certain works of him also, the shadow lines I have mentioned already, the great derangement, climate change, and the unthinkable. That means which we cannot think beyond our thinking or beyond our imagination. What can happen if we are going to play with the nature or play with certain um, uh, uh, things which are available for our support in the environment. So these things, how the human inhabitants are affecting these natural things and what can happen to us. So these things are predicted by him, Gun Island. So these things are discussed by him through his literary works, friends. And in the next session of my uh, YouTube channel, we are going to study his verse novel, that is the Jungle Nama. So stay tuned, stay connected, and please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.